Hi, my name is Chris Elias, and with this video I would like to show you my complete pool leak detection process utilizing ultrasound device and my diving technique to find the leaks in the vanilla liner swimming pool. Before I perform any inspection or detection, it's important to turn off the pump so I will be able to hear or observe any leak. After I set up my ultrasonic device, I will check and listen for any potential leaks on all of the components of the pool. In this case, starting from the main drain, I will throw and place my hydrophone on the top of the main drain cover or covers if there are multiple, and listen for any water movement. If you would like to see more on finding leaks on the main drain area, please check out the video above. Next, I will check the pool lights. Moving the hydrophone close and around the pool light, I'm able to detect even tiny openings on the light conduit or niche. If you would like to see what a damaged light niche looks like, check out the video above. After checking the light, I will move to the skimmer box and skimmer line. I will place the hydrophone inside the pipeline and around the box for any potential cracks or openings. If you are wondering what a crack on a skimmer box looks like, check out my video above as well. Next, I will check the return lines and outlets of the pool by placing the scope inside the lines and around the outlets. If you would like to know how to dye test and verify the leak on the return lines, check out the video above as well. Another common place for leaks is the steps of the pool, and especially for vinyl liner pools. I will check with the scope all the connections between the faceplate of the steps and the liner. And guess what? If you would like to see more detailed video on how to repair tears under the faceplate of the steps, check the video above. Next step is to perform a static pressure on the skimmer and return lines. Using proper plugs, I will dye test on the lines one by one. If you would like to learn how to dye test, please hit the bell button to notify you when I will upload my new video on how to properly dye test the lines. After determining that there is no leak on the suction or return lines and the components of the pool, I will set up my professional diving equipment and I will scan the whole surface area of the liner for holes and tears. Checking the liner is not an easy process, and for that reason it's important for the water to be clear enough to be able to see the screws on the main drain from the top of the pool. You want to be able to observe every tiny hole on the liner. But if the visibility is not clear, you can easily miss a hole. For that reason, clients need to make sure that the water is clear as possible and at the proper operational level. First, I would check the seam area around the pool, as it's the most common place for leaks. I will take my time and check the whole liner thoroughly so I don't miss even a tiny hole. As you can see, I use surface air supply that gives me the ability to stay and walk in the water for as long as the job requires without interrupting my dive. As I mentioned before, I always take my time when I check for holes on the liner, and that's because I may deal with tiny holes. As in this case, the hole is pretty small and I could easily miss it if I was in a hurry. I'm always trying to complete the job with my first visit and don't have the client to see me again for the same reason. My goal is to keep my client satisfied and solve their pool issue as fast as possible. Next step is to repair the leak. I will use the best quality of liner pads for every job. I will also try to match the pads with the pattern of the liner if possible. That was my process of identifying and repairing leaks on vinyl liner pulls. My name is Chris Elias, and I'm always happy to learn more and expand my knowledge. I'm always happy to face more challenging jobs. And as for my work quality and reputation, I will let my customers' feedback speak on my behalf. Check out my Google and Facebook reviews to learn what my clients say about me and my work. If you find my video valuable, please consider subscribing to my channel and hit the bell button to be notified on future videos. Also, please feel free to leave me your thoughts or questions on the comment section. I'm always happy to read your feedback and answer your questions. This encourages me to create more content and helps me to grow my channel. Thank you so much for watching, stay safe and take care.